We are off to Dumaguete. Angel Day here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, we are here in Dumaguete! Actually guys, kagabi pa kami dumating, pero hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi late na, super late, na delay yung flight, ang dami nangyari. Andito kami sa Infinity Diving Resort and they invited us to stay here. So we're going to stay here for 3 days and 2 nights, and actually, the main reason why we're here is we want to free dive again. So dala namin yung fins namin and yung mga wetsuit namin. So to start this vlog, of course, we're going to do a
house tour.
Room tour. So this is their presidential room. So makikita nyo guys, ang ganda sa labas. Perfect place to tambay. Meron din sila provide na bedroom, slippers. You have my sister here. So meron tayong mini sala. Of course, meron tayong smart TV. We have a refrigerator. And then we have 2 beds. King bed ba to? Parang king bed. Malaki siya eh. So, 2 king beds. And then, sorry guys, medyo magulo na dahil andito na lahat ng gamit namin. Ayan, mga maleta namin. We have here parang a makeup work table. Ayan. O, diba? Ang taray. And then dito, meron tayong initan ng tubig and water, mga mug, ganyan. Andito sa baba yung vault, pero hindi ko na ipapakita. Dito tayo sa CR. Guys, sobrang laki ng CR nila. O, diba? So, we have a shower. May heater naman yan. And of course, provided din yung mga shampoo, shower gel, and mga toothbrush, toothpaste. It's just simple, but it's very spacious. They have 2 pools. Ito yung isang pool. And then, meron ding isa doon. Tapos, dagat na yan, guys. And then, ito na yung restaurant. Punta tayo dito. Ito yung pinaka-favorite part ko dito. Sunbathing kayo habang nanonood ng waves. Then, meron rin silang bonfire, oh. Wala siyang shore. So, for diving talaga siya. Okay, so this is their breakfast menu. Pwede nyo itong pagpilian. This is included na sa room. Ayan, corned beef ang sa akin. Longganisa kay Miguel. Kay Andeng Tocino. And then, meron silang coffee, syempre. Just a pretty chill day. Dito lang kami sa resort. Bukas tayo magtutour. And then the next day, may free diving activity kami. So, we're just going to swim. So, this is my swimsuit. This is from Savvy Swim. And sa mga di nakakalam, Savvy Swim is my swimsuit brand. So, bili na kayo guys. Charing. Anyway, don't forget to use your sunscreen. Asa na ba yung mga sunscreen ko? Ito yung regular pool. I think etong nasa kabila yung deeper pool. Sabi nila until 10 feet, but I'll have to check. This part is 9 feet. We're going to swim here. Andun yung room namin. Wow! I don't know if you can see it, but yan yung Apo Island. There. So, we're going there tomorrow. Mag-snorkeling tayo and a bit of free diving. They also have a jacuzzi, guys. Meron silang billiards dito. So, while waiting for your food, yan, you can play billiards. So, this is what we ordered for lunch. Usually, guys, yung meal nila, may kasama ng rice. This is tortang talong. We have chicken inasal. And ito daw bestseller nila, yung ribs. Sarap nung torta. My favorite. Yung food nila, yung price range around mga 300 to mga 400. Tikman natin tong ribs. Guys, look at the view here at night. Ang ganda. It's very romantic yung vibe. Medyo napadami kami ng order, guys. Di namin alam. Ganito pala kadami yung crispy pata nila. And then we have chop suey and lemon chicken. Let's eat. Guys, ang sarap ng crispy pata. Oh my gosh. Good morning! So, today is our Apo Island tour. It's 6:30 in the morning. We're ready for our tour. So, ayan na yung fins namin and yung mga snorkeling mask. We are back in our hotel room and guys, we had so much fun sa Apo Island. Nakabalik na kami dito around 3 p.m. Nakapag-Apo Island na ako a few years ago, pre-pandemic pa. Pero hindi ako nakapag-snorkeling kasi gawa yung ilong ko noon. And that time, hindi pa talaga ako pwedeng magsuot ng mask. So sabi ko talaga sa sarili ko, kailangan kong balikan yung Apo Island. And para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, Apo Island is like one of the well-known destinations for scuba diving, free diving, snorkeling in the entire world kasi sobrang ganda ng mga corals, mga fish. Hindi ko totally talaga ma-explain kung basta maraming colors, ang daming texture, ang dami kong nakita habang nag-free dive kami. And I hope yung mga video namin gives justice to the beauty of Apo Island. But of course, iba pa rin pag kayo mismo yung makaka-experience. And super good choice na dito kami sa Infinity Diving Resort because it's super duper near Apo Island. From Infinity Diving Resort to the port, it's like 15 minutes, and then from the port to Apo Island is 30 minutes. So, super dali lang. Kasi pag galing pa kayong Dumaguete City, syempre mas malayo siya. So, kung ang goal nyo is mag-free dive, scuba dive, Infinity Diving Resort is the perfect place for you. Okay, time to eat. At yung ulam namin kahapon, yung crispy pata and yung chop suey. Nag-add lang kami ng fish tinola and then kilawin. So, let's eat! Morning! This is our last full day here. It's 6:30 in the morning. Sobrang aga. Ang aga rin namin natulog kagabi kasi pagod na pagod kami, guys. So, it's another day of free diving. Today is buffet ata yung breakfast dahil maraming guests. Papahinga lang muna tayo dito habang inaantay kasi 7 a.m. pa yung breakfast. Sarap mag-chill dito, guys. As in. Inaantok pa ako. I'm eating siomai and pancake. Ang weird ng combination. Papunta kami sa Darwin proper. Doon yung Marine Sanctuary. Sa katawan ko from yesterday. Pero sayang eh, dito na tayo, 'di ba? So, we gotta make the most out of our Dumaguete trip. Actually, guys, bitin na bitin yung 3 days. Ang dami pang pwedeng puntahan. Like Siquijor, Manhuyod, Sandbar. Pero yun nga, we have limited time. It's time to wear our wetsuit. Aray ko! So, I miss the struggle. Let's do this. Okay. Can you help me? finally back in our hotel room. Nakaligo na ako and everything. Actually, I don't know if I have enough clips. Hindi ako masyado nakapag-video dahil in-enjoy ko talaga yung dive. We are so happy kasi ang ganda dun sa Darwin Marine Sanctuary, guys. Like, ang daming fish, ang ganda ng mga corals. Actually, hindi nyo kailangan maging free diver para ma-enjoy yung mga corals and yung mga fish. Kasi sobrang like, kahit sa mababang place, sobrang dami ng fish, sobrang dami magagandang corals. And we are so happy with our hotel kasi sobrang lapit lang niya sa lahat na magagandang free diving spot. Darwin Marine Sanctuary is only like 6 minutes away from here. So, guys, super nice. So, if you're a free diver or a scuba diver, you will really enjoy this place. If you're planning to come to Dumaguete, make sure na kahit 5 to 7 days kung kaya nyo dahil ang dami nyong pwedeng puntahan. And if you're wondering kung ano yung free diving school na binook namin, it's Apnea Dumaguete. But anyway, guys, ayan.
Angel was on fire.
Anyway, guys, papahinga na kami saglit and then we'll have dinner, maybe a few drinks dahil tomorrow maaga yung flight namin at 8 a.m. Since it's our last night, we ordered drinks. Cheers, guys. Okay, I ordered mushroom soup. So parang kailangan ng katawan ko yung mainit. We also ordered Chinese adobo and salt and pepper shrimp. Good morning! It's, I think, 5:30 in the morning. We're getting ready for our flight. What a fun pero bitin trip here to Dumaguete. And ayun, hopefully next time we can come back and stay longer and visit more diving spots and other tourist spots here in Dumaguete. And not just Dumaguete, also in Siquijor kasi malapit na lang daw siya. Malapit din ng Bacolod, malapit din ng Bohol, malapit din ng Cebu. So sobrang madaming malapit dito sa Dumaguete. Ayun guys, tapos na naman tayo sa isang vlog. As usual, all the details you need to know ay nasa description box. So that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Till my next vlog. Bye! Bye.